Welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy, and today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious, quick, and easy Southern macaroni salad. Now, one thing that I definitely appreciate about living in the South was the macaroni salad. Absolutely amazing. So today I decided to recreate it, and I'm going to show you guys how to put everything together in 1, 2, 3. It's going to be so quick and easy, and it's definitely going to be a crowd pleaser. So with all of that being said, let's introduce these ingredients and get started. For this recipe, we're gonna need elbow macaroni. After I boiled it, I drained it off. And now here's the thing. Sometimes when making macaroni salad, some people prefer to do it al dente, meaning it has like a little firmness to it. However, I'm not making baked macaroni and cheese. So I boiled it a little bit past al dente because I don't want it to be too firm. I want it to be firm, but not too firm. Get what I'm saying? I'm also going to be using 2 cans of tuna, love tuna, and that's the albacore tuna. And however, you can use the tuna in the pouch or the can, whether it comes in oil, water, totally your preference. We also have some diced celery and some hard-boiled eggs that I just roughly chopped, no particular size. And we also have 2 types of mayo. Yes, now this is what's going to really tie in our Southern macaroni salad, all right? I'm using Duke's mayo. However, you can use Hellman's as well. I've used it before. And I'm also using Miracle Whip. And we have some diced onions as well as salt and ground black pepper and some smoked paprika. Anyway, let's get to cooking, guys. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to make our dressing. So I'm going to add the mayo to the bowl. And make sure you have a decent sized bowl because once you start to add those ingredients, everything is going to become a little bit more. And I'm also going to go in and add that Miracle Whip as well. Mix and combine both ingredients. As I mentioned in my previous video with the potato salad, I love doing it this way. It's so much easier because you get to make the dressing first before adding the pasta. That way you get to maneuver it a little bit easier. Trust me, works out perfectly. We're also going to add our diced onions. Make sure you get all of those diced onions in there. Now, this part is up to you as well, whether or not if you like a lot of onions or you don't like a lot of onions. And of course, you can substitute the yellow onions with either white onions or purple onions, totally up to you. Now that everything is well combined, we're going to go in there and add that diced celery. Not only is it going to give us that color contrast, but it's going to give us that nice crunch. Yes. Now that everything is combined, we're going to scrape the sides of the bowl, make sure we get everything. We're going to add some salt to taste. Of course, we're not going to add too much because we're not trying to get high blood pressure off this macaroni salad now. And also, you can always go back in there once you do your taste test and you realize it's not salty enough, you can always add some more salt. And we're going to add some freshly cracked black pepper. There's something about freshly cracked black pepper that I really love. The only thing is, it takes forever to get it out of the jar. I mean, like for real. But anyway, now that that's added, we're going to combine it as well. And I'm going to go in there with that tuna. Yes. Break it up just a little bit and combine it as well. You don't want to break it up too much though, however, because you still want some chunky pieces in there because you want your macaroni salad to have texture. Now that that's combined, last but not least, we are going to add our pasta. Yes, and what we're going to do is we're going to add just some of it. We're not going to add all because we want this salad and pasta mixture to be manageable. Once we're done, we're going to add the remaining half. Make sure every elbow macaroni is coated with sauce, all right? Because our macaroni salad has to be what? It has to be saucy. Now that everything is all mixed in and is looking really good, I want to add some sweet relish. Why not, right? So I'm gonna go and add that sweet relish, combine it as well. And the sweet relish is gonna provide a contrast of flavors. Some people I know they add a little vinegar as well as a little sugar. That part is totally up to you. And last but not least, we're gonna add our boiled eggs, and I'm not gonna mash it up. into the salad. But what I am going to do is I'm going to fold it in, because you still want that texture and you want to be able, when you're eating your salad, to taste the eggs, so to speak. So we're just going to fold it in. And once everything is well combined and folded in, we want to make our macaroni salad look nice and pretty for the party. So what we're going to do is we're going to add that smoked paprika. Of course, you don't have smoked paprika, so what? Add regular paprika, because the paprika is just to beautify it, basically. And we're going to also add some dried parsley. And isn't she lovely? Absolutely beautiful. It's about that time to do our taste test. So guys, I'm going to need you to dig on in, do a taste test, see whether or not if your macaroni salad is up to par. You're going to adjust the flavors, basically. Whether or not if you're going to need extra salt, a little bit more relish. You have to know what flavors you're trying to go for and just add it accordingly. And of course, as always, thank you so much for cooking with Tammy, and I will catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye guys.